Hello children, in the theory of ranges, we have done the topic up to this equation delta x s2p minus s1p. Due to some problem we have not done internal storage problem, we have not done the topic completed. Now we will start from here now. Delta x s2p minus s1p. This is the path difference and we have find the value of s2p, that is d plus y plus d by 2 whole square upon 2d, and s1p also, that is d plus y minus d by 2 whole square upon 2d. Now we can open the bracket. Now we can write here delta x equal to d plus y plus d by 2 whole square upon 2d minus d minus y minus d by 2 whole square upon 2d. It will be cancelled. So delta x equal to, this is 2d and 2d, 1 by 2d is common. So we can write here y plus d by 2 whole square minus y minus d by 2 whole square. Delta x, this is equal to 1 by 2d. This is a square minus b square. So it is a plus b, a minus b. Y plus d by 2 plus y minus d by 2. A plus b and a minus b. A is y plus d by 2 minus y plus d by 2. It will be cancelled. It will be cancelled. So delta x is equal to 1 by 2d. Y plus y is 2y. D by 2 plus d by 2, it is only d. It will be cancelled. So delta x we get y d upon d. This is equation number 2 we can write here. Now for maxima, we know delta x is m into lambda. Equation number 3, compare second and third. So we can write here y d upon d, that is m into lambda. We can find y is equal to m lambda capital D upon small d. Now if y is equal to 1, so we get y1 lambda d upon d. If y is equal to 2, we get y2, this is equal to 2 lambda d upon d. If y is equal to 3, so we get y3 is equal to 3 lambda d upon d. Now we can find fringe width. Fringe width beta, it is a separation between two consecutive maxima. So fringe width beta is equal to y2 minus y1. So we get 2 lambda d upon d minus lambda d upon d. So we get beta is equal to lambda d by d. So we can write here that fringe width directly proportional to wavelength. Fringe width directly proportional to the distance between slit and screen, and the fringe width is inversely proportional to the distance between the slit. If the distance between slit and screen is increased, then beta will be increased. This value cannot be so large because interference pattern will not be observed. If small d is very small, then beta will be very large, so interference pattern will not be observed. Now we can write for minima. Delta x is equal to m plus 1 by 2 into lambda. This is equation number 4th. Compare second and fourth. So we can write here y d upon d is equal to m plus 1 by 2 into lambda. So we get y is equal to m plus 1 by 2. This is lambda d upon d. If we put m is equal to 0, we get y0. This is equal to 1 by 2 lambda d by d. If we put m is equal to 1, so we get y1, that is equal to 3 by 2 lambda d by d. If we put m is equal to 2, so we get y2 is equal to, this is 5 by 2 lambda d by d. So now we can also calculate the fringe width for the minima beta minima. The distance between two consecutive dark. So beta is equal to, we can write here y1 minus y0. This is 3 by 2 lambda d by d minus 1 by 2 lambda d by d. So this is, we can write here lambda d by d. So beta is equal to lambda d by d. So we can write beta directly proportional to lambda, beta directly proportional to d, beta inversely proportional to 1 by d.